Hey everyone, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro arrives as part of Xiaomi's latest wave of devices. Launched alongside the Xiaomi Pad Mini and the 15T smartphone series, positioning itself as a well-rounded tablet with an emphasis on display quality, performance, and battery longevity. From the first glance, its 12.1-inch LCD panel sets it apart in its segment. The screen boasts a sharp 2.5K resolution of 2,560 by 1,600 pixels, a refresh rate that can scale up to 120 Hz, and a 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Added to that are premium display enhancements, such as Dolby Vision support, DC dimming, a dedicated reading mode, and wet touch recognition for better usability in less than ideal conditions. A standout feature is the matte glass edition with AG nano texturing, which cuts down reflections and enhances visibility to a remarkable degree, making the tablet far more usable outdoors. Performance is driven by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, paired with the Adreno 810 GPU. This configuration offers solid mid-range power, capable of handling multitasking, streaming, and gaming without feeling underpowered. Buyers can choose between two storage variants, 6 gigs RAM with 128 gigs of internal storage, or 8 gigs with 256 gigs, both supporting microSD expansion up to 2 terabytes. On software side, Redmi Pad 2 Pro runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. HyperOS stands out by emphasizing deep integration across Xiaomi's ecosystem. Users benefit from seamless cross-device features such as synchronized calls, easy hotspot switching, remote control of their smartphones, and even a shared clipboard. Cameras are kept simple but practical. The Wi-Fi model has an 8-megapixel setup both front and back, suitable for video calls and casual snapshots, while the 5G variant steps up with 13 megapixels rear sensor. Video recording maxes out at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which, while not groundbreaking, is more than adequate for online classes, conferences, and light content creation. The battery life is where the Redmi Pad 2 Pro impresses most. Its 12,000 mAh cell supports up to 14.2 hours of video playback, 16 hours of e-reading, or over 105 hours of audio streaming, ensuring longevity for heavy daily use. Charging is handled by a 33-watt fast charging system via USB-C, and Xiaomi has gone a step further by including 27-watt reverse wired charging, allowing the tablet to double as a power bank for smaller devices like smartphones and earbuds. Other features round out the premium feel. It houses quad speakers tuned for Dolby Atmos, dual microphones, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, and optional eSIM-based 5G connectivity. Despite its large battery, the tablet maintains a manageable 610 grams weight and slim 7.5 millimeters thickness, reinforced by a sturdy unibody metal build. Xiaomi offers it in 3 colors: graphite gray, silver, and lavender purple, with stylus and keyboard accessories sold separately. As for pricing, the Wi-Fi-only model starts at €299 for the 6 and 128 gigs version. In essence, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro strikes a strong balance between affordability and premium features. Its large, high-resolution screen, long-lasting battery, and HyperOS-driven ecosystem integration make it a versatile choice for students, professionals, and entertainment seekers alike. While its cameras and storage technology are modest, the overall value it delivers at its price point makes it a compelling new entry in Xiaomi's tablet lineup. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.